What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing here on my channel. Today I have the PS4 DualShock 4 back button attachment for you, and I would say let's get right into it after the intro. Alright, so it seems that this DualShock 4 back button attachment is a bit sold out everywhere. So I saw it on Amazon.com and even here in Europe on the Amazon website for around $90, 90 euros. That's insane. I was lucky to get it from a website in Hungary. I just waited a couple of days, like 5-6 days, maybe a week, I don't know exactly, but it arrived today. So I'm curious, and I would say we have a look. The box doesn't look that spectacular. As you can see, it's like those controllers we know from the Pros, or I don't know, where you have those back buttons and you can program them. And I would say we have a look. So open this up real quick. Yeah, the box doesn't look very spectacular. So what do we have inside here? So we have a manual. Box aside, we have a manual, quite big. Don't know if we will need that. I put it aside as well. And then we have the back button attachment itself. So this is how it looks. Okay, so we see that is a touchpad here. It's an OLED as far as I know. And yeah, we have two buttons. It plugs directly into the controller with the headphone jack and the port next to the headphone jack, obviously. And you can still use headphones, so you can plug in your headset or whatever you use for gaming. And I would say there's not much more to say about it. I mean, it's really light, it's lightweight, it looks solid. Yeah, I would say I get my controller and we plug it into the controller. So this is how it's supposed to go in, I guess. Okay, it's quite a challenge to get this in. Ah, okay, this part moves. I didn't see. Honestly, I didn't watch any videos about this. I just saw it and thought I might get this. It's like a SCUF controller. So this moves in here. So I would say we need to use some force on that. Or I don't know. I don't want to break anything. Definitely not the easiest thing to do. Maybe if you do it, oh, okay, now it's snapped in. I don't want to break anything or something like that, but yeah, this is how it looks in the controller. I didn't use the black controller here because, okay, now I think it's fully in. I didn't use the black controller, so you see a better contrast on that, but I think that looks okay. The controller gets a bit heavier. It doesn't feel bad, so we'll use that with my index fingers or middle fingers, I guess. More my middle fingers. Still don't know what I will use it for. We'll probably try it in Call of Duty or Fortnite, or maybe when you play racing games to shift the gears. I mean, I don't really do that. Usually I play on automatic. I play a lot of FIFA, so maybe you can use this for, like, if you use it for L1, R1 or something like that to make trick shots with it, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, when I press this, nothing really happens, so I don't know if it's on or off. I mean, I need to check this out, so I will turn on my PS4 now and we'll see how it works, and we'll give you a quick review, first quick review on the PS4 back button attachment.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I turned on my PS4 and now I had to switch off the lights, otherwise it's really hard to see this display, but once you press this, you will see the display, the OLED display lights up, and if we long press this, we can actually toggle through all the PlayStation buttons on the controller and can choose what we want on the paddles. So let's say you want to give this the R1 function, you just leave it here, you leave whatever you want here, and probably the better way is to put it here R1 and then put here L1, and you can also assign no function to the paddle, and then you just press and now you see it's confirmed and you see what's on the paddles. So whenever you press, it's not on for a long time, the display. Don't know if you can change that, I will need to find out, but so far I have to say it's an interesting attachment. Everything works fine to configure it. Now just have to test it, but I probably will do this in another video and will share my thoughts about it. It feels a bit weird. I've never really used a SCUF controller before or something like that, so it feels weird to have something underneath your middle. For me it's my middle finger here now on the back. It definitely feels different, but I will find out if it helps me in some games or not, and I will do another video. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you like what you've seen, and subscribe to this channel for more videos about the PS4 back button attachment. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.